Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This is part 2 of the ultimate guide to Thai milk tea. Now we'll explore recipes and some fun variations you can try at home. Let's jump right in. Mixing and sweetening techniques. Getting the sweetness and creaminess just right is where the magic happens. Here's how to nail it. Start with sweetness. While the tea is still hot, stir in 1–2 tablespoons of condensed milk per cup. This blends better when warm and prevents clumping. Adjust to taste. Prefer it less sweet? Add condensed milk gradually, tasting as you go. Traditional versions are sugary, but it's your drink, make it your way. Add evaporated milk. Pour in 1–2 tablespoons of evaporated milk after cooling the tea slightly. This gives it a lighter creaminess without overpowering the flavor. For the best texture, shake or stir vigorously before serving. This creates that signature frothy top layer you'd get from a street vendor. Serving suggestions: hot versus cold. Thai milk tea is versatile, delicious hot or cold, depending on your mood. Here's how to serve it both ways. Iced Thai milk tea, the classic. Fill a glass with crushed ice. Pour the sweetened tea over the ice, leaving room at the top. Drizzle 1–2 tablespoons of evaporated milk over the surface for a creamy swirl. Garnish with a sprig of mint or a sprinkle of ground cinnamon for a fresh touch. Hot Thai milk tea. Skip the ice and serve the tea steaming hot in a mug. Top with a splash of evaporated milk for richness. Pair with a vanilla bean or a cinnamon stick stirred in for extra aroma. Bonus tip. For a fun twist, blend the tea with ice for a slushy version, or add tapioca pearls for a boba-style treat. The key to perfect Thai milk tea? Taste as you go. Adjust the sweetness, play with the creaminess, and make it yours. Once you've mastered the basics, you'll never settle for store-bought again. Variations of Thai milk tea. Thai milk tea's bold flavor makes it easy to customize, and creative twists keep fans coming back for more. From chewy boba pairings to modern matcha fusions, there's always a new way to enjoy this creamy classic. Thai milk tea with boba. Boba turns Thai milk tea into a fun, textured experience. The chewy tapioca pearls sink to the bottom, waiting to be slurped through a wide straw with each sip. Vendors often layer the drink to showcase the tea's orange hue against the dark pearls, visually striking and delicious. Why does it work so well? The pearls add contrast. Their mild, slightly sweet taste offsets the tea's richness. Texture play. The creaminess of the milk tea pairs perfectly with boba's soft bite. Customizable sweetness. Many shops adjust sugar levels in the tea or syrup-soaked boba to suit any preference. For the best version, try freshly cooked boba. They should be springy, not mushy, and let them soak in a bit of honey or simple syrup before adding to the tea. Matcha and Thai milk tea fusion. Matcha's earthy vibrancy gives Thai milk tea a modern twist. Baristas often layer the two, creating a striking gradient of green and orange, two halves, ChatGPT said. Or blend them for a balanced, unified flavor. Here's how they compare. Classic Thai milk tea. Creamy, sweet, with spice notes from the black tea blend. Matcha-infused version. Offers grassy depth and a subtle bitterness that cuts through the sweetness. For a smooth fusion, whisk high-quality ceremonial-grade matcha into the tea base before adding milk. The result? A drink that's both familiar and fresh, with layers of flavor that keep you sipping. Health considerations and nutritional information. Thai milk tea is undeniably delicious, but it's also a treat best enjoyed in moderation. Understanding what goes into your glass helps you make informed choices without sacrificing flavor. Let's break down the numbers and explore ways to lighten it up. Caloric and sugar content. A standard 12-ounce serving of Thai milk tea typically packs 250,300 calories, roughly the same as a small dessert. 30–40 grams of sugar, That's close to the daily limit recommended by health experts. Most of this comes from the condensed milk, which is essentially reduced milk with added sugar. If you're sipping the boba version, those chewy pearls add another 100 plus calories and 25 grams of sugar from the syrup they're soaked in. Why does this matter? Regularly consuming high-sugar drinks can lead to energy crashes and long-term health concerns. But this doesn't mean you need to skip Thai milk tea altogether. Healthier alternatives and modifications. You can still enjoy Thai milk tea while cutting back on sugar and calories. Try these tweaks. Reduce the sugar. Swap half the condensed milk for unsweetened evaporated milk. You'll keep the creaminess with less sweetness. Try natural sweeteners. A teaspoon of honey or maple syrup adds flavor without the processed sugar overload. Go dairy-free. Coconut milk or almond milk gives a lighter texture and subtle nutty notes. Skip the boba. Opt for chia seeds or basil seeds instead. They add fun texture with fiber and protein. Pro tip: brew your tea extra strong. The bold flavor means you'll crave less sweetness to balance it out. Loving Thai milk tea doesn't have to mean ignoring your health goals. Small changes make a big difference, letting you sip smarter without missing out. Now, who's ready to try a lighter version of their favorite drink? Keep these tips handy next time you brew or order. Thai milk tea is more than a drink, it's a taste of Thai street culture in every sip. From its bold black tea base to the creamy swirl of condensed milk, it balances rich and refreshing flavors like nothing else. Whether you've tried it at a night market or a boba shop, its vibrant taste tells a story of tradition and modern cravings. Bringing this experience home is easy. With a few key ingredients and simple steps, you can make your own version, tweaking the sweetness or trying fun twists like matcha or boba. Why not test a batch this weekend? Share your creations, experiment with bold flavors, and discover why this drink keeps winning fans worldwide. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.